Time now for Eyewitness News. Call 12 for action. Almost all of us have been asked this question, credit or debit? But as many of us really stop and think before we actually swipe the card, as problem solver Susan Hogan warns, in certain situations, the choice you make could put your money at risk.
Over the years, I've reported on numerous security breaches with debit and credit cards. For those of you who've had your debit card hacked, the financial loss can be huge. But does it really matter at checkout whether you use your card as a debit or credit card? Absolutely. It's a decision most of us make in a second. A cashier asks if we want to pay with credit or debit. Budget-conscious consumers may be inclined to say debit, taking only from funds in the bank and avoiding overspending and interest. But a debit card also gives direct access to our money.
Say if you do get hit with fraud, you know, that thief is going to make a bunch of purchases and empty out your checking account. Now, you'll get your money back eventually if you report it on time, but the problem is, while you're waiting to get your money back, you don't have money to cover your bills.
Debit transactions that can be vulnerable include gas pumps and outdoor or the standalone ATMs. They're prime for scammers to skim you. And transactions that take your card out of sight, like at a restaurant, and for purchases on the internet where malware or spyware could put financial information at risk. Credit may be best.
There's stronger protections on credit cards for consumers. Your maximum liability under federal law is $50, regardless of how much fraud someone conducts on your credit card.
And regardless of which option you choose, be on the lookout for fraud by checking your account activity on a regular basis. And if you have a consumer problem you need help solving, contact our Call 12 for Action Center Monday through Thursday from 11 until 1. Our hotline is 228-1850. Or if you're interested in becoming a Call 12 for Action volunteer with me, you can call that same number you see right there on your screen. I'm problem solver Susan Hogan, Eyewitness News.